Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about the SKIN1004 Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. I've been testing this out for the past few weeks now and I have a lot to share. So let's dive in. To start with the basic, this cleansing oil is part of SKIN1004's Madagascar Centella line, which is all about soothing and hydrating the skin. The star ingredient here is Centella asiatica extract, which is great for calming irritation and reinforcing the skin barrier. It also contains several plant-based oils like sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil and olive fruit oil that help dissolve makeup, sunscreen and excess oil without clogging pores. The formula is non-comedogenic, which is a big plus for those with acne-prone skin. The texture of this oil is worth mentioning. It's very lightweight, almost like water, which I didn't expect from cleansing oil. It's not thick or heavy and it doesn't leave that greasy or oily residue that some other cleansing oils can. When you massage it into dry skin, it glides on smoothly and immediately starts breaking down makeup and sunscreen. One thing I have to be honest about though, the scent. For me, it's a bit strong. It's got a very herbal, earthy smell and for me, it's a bit strong. It's not an artificial fragrance, but it definitely stands out when you first apply it. It doesn't linger once you rinse it off, but if you're sensitive to scents in skincare, that's just something to keep in mind. Using this cleansing oil is really simple. You always want to start with dry hands and a dry face. Oil cleansers are designed to work by binding to the oil and impurities on your skin, and water can interfere with that process right from the start. Take some oil into your hand, then gently massage it all over your face. Spend about 30 seconds to a full minute really working it into your skin in circular motions. Next, wet your hands slightly and start adding a bit of water to your face. As soon as water touches the oil, it emulsifies, turning into a milky consistency. This step is not just satisfying but important because it helps the oil lift away all the junk from your skin. Keep massaging for a few more seconds after adding water to fully break everything down. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. For best result, follow with a gentle second cleanser like a gel or foam to fully complete your double cleanse. Now let's talk about the performance. I found that this oil does a great job of removing makeup, sunscreen and excess oil from my skin without irritating it. It breaks everything down easily. I really like that it doesn't require a lot of rubbing or tugging, which can be a big deal if you have sensitive skin or are just trying to avoid any unnecessary irritation. However, if you're wearing waterproof mascara or super long-lasting eye makeup, you may need to do a little more work or follow up with a separate eye makeup remover. What I really like about this oil cleanser, it doesn't leave my skin feeling heavy or oily, but instead it leaves it feeling refreshed and hydrated. If you have combination skin like I do, where part of your face can get oily while other parts feel dry, this is a great option because it doesn't lean too heavy in either direction. It also helps with blackheads and whiteheads. I've noticed a slight reduction in my blackheads around my nose, and that's something I really appreciate. For me, cleansing oil is a big part of keeping my skin clear and healthy, and this one does a really good job of just keeping things balanced. As far as who this cleansing oil is best for, honestly I think it's suitable for all skin types, but it's especially good for anyone with oily, combination or sensitive skin. If you're acne prone and have experienced clogged pores from thicker oils, this lightweight formula is a great alternative. It cleans effectively without suffocating the skin, and the Centella extract makes it a great option if your skin tends to get red or reactive. For those of you with sensitive skin, this might be a great choice as well because it's really gentle. I've used it around my eyes and it doesn't sting at all, which is always a good sign in a cleansing oil. And for those who worried about clogged pores, the formula is non-comedogenic, so you don't have to worry about breakouts or congestion. And that's it for today's review. If you've tried this cleansing oil, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare reviews and routines. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.